Improving your English in just 1 week. Improving your English in just 1 week is a challenging but achievable goal. It's important to set realistic expectations and understand that while you might not become fluent in English in such a short time, you can definitely make noticeable progress. This step-by-step guide will help you improve your English over the course of 1 week. We will focus on different areas of language learning, such as vocabulary, grammar, speaking, listening, reading, and writing, and give you practical tips to maximize your progress. Day 1. Focus on vocabulary. Step 1. Make a list of common words. Start by making a list of common words that are used in daily conversations. These words can be related to everyday situations, such as greetings, food, travel, work, or hobbies. You can find word lists online or use a beginner-level vocabulary book. Here's an example list to get you started. Greetings. Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, goodbye, how are you? Food, apple, bread, rice, chicken, water, vegetables, fruit. Travel, airport, bus, train, ticket, luggage, passport. Work, job, office, computer, email, meeting, boss. Step 2. Learn 10 to 20 words every day. Pick 10 to 20 words from your list and focus on learning them each day. Write them down, say them out loud, and use them in sentences. The more you use the words, the better you will remember them. Try to learn words that are useful to you personally, based on your lifestyle and interests. Step 3. Use flashcards. Use flashcards to help with memorizing vocabulary. You can create your own flashcards on paper or use apps like Anki or Quizlet, which allow you to review the words regularly. These apps use spaced repetition, which helps you remember words better. Step 4. Practice speaking the words. Say the words out loud. Practicing pronunciation is just as important as memorizing the meaning. If you have access to an online dictionary, you can listen to the pronunciation of words and try to mimic them. Day 2. Work on your grammar. Step 1. Review basic grammar rules. Start with the basics of grammar. Some essential grammar topics for beginners include present simple tense. I eat, he works, they play. Present continuous tense. I am eating, she is working, they are playing. Articles a and the. Singular and plural nouns. Cat, cats, child, children. Step 2. Focus on one grammar rule. Choose one grammar rule to focus on for the day. For example, if you choose the present simple tense, make sure to study its structure and use. Look for examples of how it's used in sentences. Step 3. Do grammar exercises. Find grammar exercises online or in grammar books to practice the rule you've chosen. Doing exercises will help reinforce the grammar rule and help you apply it correctly in your own writing and speaking. Step 4. Make sentences. Once you've reviewed the grammar rule, try to write several sentences using that rule. For example, if you're learning the present continuous tense, you can write sentences like, I am reading a book. She is eating lunch. They are playing football. Step 5. Correct mistakes. If you make mistakes, don't worry. Mistakes are part of the learning process. Try to find the correct way of using the grammar rule and keep practicing. Day 3. Improve your listening skills. Step 1. Listen to English audio. Start listening to English audio every day. You can listen to podcasts, YouTube videos, songs, or even news in English. It's important to listen to a variety of speakers so you can become familiar with different accents and speaking speeds. Step 2. Choose easy listening materials. Since you are a beginner, it's best to start with simple audio materials. Look for podcasts or YouTube channels designed for English learners. These resources often speak slowly and clearly, using simple language that is easy to understand. Step 3. Listen to short clips. Start with short clips, 2 to 5 minutes, and listen to them multiple times. The first time, just try to understand the main idea. The second time, try to pick out more details. After listening, write down any new words or phrases you heard and look up their meanings. Step 4. Repeat and shadow. After you've listened to the clip, try to repeat what you heard. This method, called shadowing, helps improve your pronunciation and fluency. Try to speak at the same time as the speaker and copy their pronunciation, intonation, and rhythm. Day 4. Improve your speaking skills. Step 1. Practice speaking out loud. Speaking is one of the most important skills to improve in English. On day 4, focus on practicing your speaking. You can speak about anything you like. Your day, your hobbies, your family, or your goals. Step 2. Record yourself. To improve your speaking, it's helpful to record yourself speaking. You can use your phone or computer to record your voice. Afterward, listen to the recording and pay attention to areas where you can improve, such as pronunciation, intonation, or grammar. Step 3. Practice with a language partner. If you have a language partner, try to practice speaking with them. You can use language exchange apps like HelloTalk or Tandem to find people to practice English with. If you don't have a language partner, try speaking to yourself in English or practice with a friend who knows the language. Step 4. Use the words you've learned. Make sure to use the new vocabulary words you've learned in your speaking practice. For example, if you learned food-related words, try speaking about your favorite foods or a recent meal. Day 5. Work on your reading skills. Step 1. Choose simple texts. For beginners, it's best to start with simple texts. You can read children's books, short stories, or articles designed for English learners. Websites like Breaking News English or English Club offer articles with different levels of difficulty. Step 2. Read aloud. Reading aloud helps you practice pronunciation and fluency. It also helps you get used to the rhythm of the language. While reading, pay attention to punctuation and intonation. Step 3. Learn new vocabulary. As you read, make a note of any new words or phrases. Look up their meanings and try to use them in your own sentences. Step 4. Summarize what you read after reading. Try to summarize the main points in your own words. This will help you improve your understanding and retention of what you read. Day 6. Improve your writing skills. Step 1. Write a short paragraph. Writing is an essential skill in language learning. Start by writing a short paragraph on a topic that interests you. For example, you can write about your daily routine, your favorite movie, or your family. Step 2. Focus on simple sentences. For beginners, it's best to focus on writing simple sentences. Use the vocabulary and grammar rules you've learned so far. Don't worry too much about making perfect sentences. Just try to express your ideas clearly. Step 3. Get feedback. If possible, ask a teacher, language partner, or friend to give you feedback on your writing. They can help correct any mistakes and give suggestions for improvement. Step 4. Keep a journal. Start keeping an English journal. Every day, write about what you did, how you felt, or anything else you want to share. This will help you practice writing and improve your ability to think in English. Day 7, Review and Practice. Step 1. Review vocabulary and grammar. On the final day, take some time to review everything you've learned throughout the week. Go over your vocabulary list, grammar rules, and the notes you've made. Step 2. Practice speaking and listening. Spend some time practicing your speaking and listening. You can listen to a podcast and then talk about it in English, or speak about a topic you've already discussed in your journal. Step 3. Set new goals. While you've made significant progress in just 1 week, the journey doesn't stop here. Set new goals for the next week and continue practicing every day. The key to language learning is consistency. Conclusion. Improving your English in 1 week is possible if you focus on different skills and practice consistently. While 1 week is a short time, you can still make noticeable improvements in vocabulary, grammar, speaking, listening, reading, and writing. The key is to practice every day, be patient with yourself, and stay motivated. Even after this week, keep practicing and challenging yourself to learn more. Every small step will bring you closer to becoming fluent in English.